Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura Bruno, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my recipe for peanut butter and jelly cookies. They're so delicious and so easy to make, so let's get started. What you'll need is 1.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1¼ cups of peanut butter, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1 large egg, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/2 cup of room temperature butter, and 1/3 cup of raspberry jam. So in a bowl, you're going to be putting in your peanut butter, the brown sugar, the granulated sugar, and the vanilla. With my electric mixer, I'm going to mix this until it's smooth. Once you have this smooth, you're going to add in your egg. And you're going to mix this all together. You're going to add in your softened butter. And you're going to mix that in. So next you're going to take your flour and your baking powder. And you're just going to mix it and pour that in with the peanut butter. You're going to take a spatula and just mix it all together until everything is combined. So once it's combined, you're just going to take like a tablespoon of the peanut butter and just roll it into a ball. You need a baking sheet with parchment and just place it on the parchment. So once you have it all rolled into a ball, you're just going to flatten it just a little bit, okay? And you're going to take your thumb and just make a well in the center. So once you've done that, you take your jam and you're going to fill the inside of each well. So once you've filled all the cookies and it looks like this, you're going to place them into the oven for about 7 to 10 minutes until they're golden brown, and the oven is set to 350. I just took these out of the oven and I'm going to let them cool for about 10 minutes and then I'll transfer them onto a plate. Here you have it, peanut butter and jelly cookies. They're so delicious and so easy to make. Okay guys, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.